So the game plan is to do this guy. So since it's 24 hours, we have to take care of the things that we can't control, which is the paint drying. So that's going to include the sword, and I was going to make these parts. These are his like wrappings around his legs out of cloth, but I think I'm just going to I'll make it out of foam. So it'll give it a cool look. And his sandals. So I'm gonna do those first because those are gonna take time to dry. And then while those are drying, then I'll do everything else, which is the cloth and the belt and all that stuff. Okay, so let's get going. Tanjirou, I need the green-black checkered fabric. So it's over here. Let's go get that. Like a 1 inch by 4 feet, which is perfect for small swords like katana. And I know natural, like real katanas have a curve to it, but since we're on time constraint and on the budget, so we're gonna go with this. Then you're gonna buy one of these. This is the katana. This is Tanjirou's sword. It's the black one. And it's labeled poplar too. I think this is something else, but I don't know. How wild would that be? Go with this one. Let's just go with this one. So I just woke up, took about a 3-hour nap. I was just really tired. So managed to get most of these things done, but I'm gonna tackle the kimono now, so let's get to that. So the kimono is gonna look something like that. I'm gonna follow the instructions on Babbel, and let's see if how it turns out. guys, I am here in the JW. It's the big reveal. So the room 648, I'm gonna head over there.